long, ugly URLs are the fastest way to make a professional Canva presentation look like a messy draft. When you paste a raw link into your design, it takes up too much space and distracts your audience from the actual content you want them to see. You are here because you want your documents to look clean and clickable, but you are stuck with a giant string of random characters. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I will show you the exact steps to turn those messy links into neat custom text. I am also going to share a specific trick at the very end of this video that will save you from ever having to manually re-link items when you update your external files, which is a massive time saver for big projects. The reason this happens is simple. Canva is built to prioritize the destination of the link first, so when you drop a URL in, the software just displays the raw data. It is like sending someone a gift but leaving it in the shipping box instead of wrapping it. It functions the same, but it looks unfinished. Using a raw link also makes people hesitant to click because they cannot immediately tell where the link is taking them. By changing the link name, you are essentially creating a clear signpost that tells your reader exactly what to expect. To fix this, open your Canva project and find the text or link you want to modify. First, you need to select the text that contains your current hyperlink. If you haven't added a link yet, just highlight the word you want to turn into a button. Next, make sure you look for the small toolbar that appears above your selection and click on the three dots, which is the More button. From that menu, click on the Link option. Now simply enter your destination URL into the box and click Done. You will notice the text turns blue and gets an underline to show it is active. To actually change the name without breaking the link, you need to select that active link again and click those same three dots to find the Edit Link option. This opens a specific text box where you can type in a new name, like click here or view portfolio, while keeping the original URL hidden underneath. Once you change the name, click Done, and your link is now perfectly labeled. Now for that pro tip I promised. If you are linking to a live document like a Google Sheet or a website that changes often, always use a vanity URL or a redirect link. This way, if the destination changes, you only have to update it in one place outside of Canva. And every single one of your existing Canva designs will automatically point to the new location without you ever having to open the editor again.